Good day everyone. Today I will discuss about address mapping, error reporting, and multicasting. But before that, let me introduce myself first. I'm your tutor, Laramie Pacala, student of CMPI or City of Malabon Polytechnic Institute, second year student and taking up Associate in Computer Technology. Okay, so let's start. First, I will introduce to you the address mapping. What is address mapping? Address mapping is a delivery of a packet to a host or a router requires the two levels of addressing, which is the logical address and the physical address. We need to be able to map a logical address to its corresponding physical address and vice versa. What is the difference between physical address and logical address? The physical address is the MAC address, while the logical address is the IP address. ARP. ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. The ARP operation. System A looking for physical address and a node with IP address, which is 141.23.56.71, so that the ARP is broadcast. While how the system B replied is unicast. The node physical address is A46E, F4, 51, A3, and AB. So that is all. Thank you.